Good morning, dear students. Let's continue our chapter The Big Friendly Giant. In the previous classes, we could see that how Danny was enjoying his father's bedtime stories. Danny tells us about one of the stories. It's about a giant which lasted for several nights. The giant had a magic powder factory. He makes magic powders out of children's dreams. Let's see how he catches dreams for making his magic powders. Page number 95. The BFG, he said, can hear the tread of a ladybird's footsteps as she walks across a leaf. He can hear the whisperings of ants as they scurry around in the soil, talking to one another. He can hear the sudden shrill cry of pain a tree gives out when a woodman cuts into it with an axe. Oh, yes, my darling, there is a whole world of sounds around us that we cannot hear because our ears are simply not sensitive enough. His father says about the sounds which BFG can hear, the sounds which ordinary man cannot. Which are the sounds BFG can hear? The tread of a ladybird's footsteps. Tread means sound. BFG can hear the sound of a ladybird's footsteps as she walks across a leaf. He can also hear the whisperings of ants as they scurry around. Scurry means move quickly with short steps. He can even hear the whisperings of ants around in the soil talking to one another. He can hear the sudden shrill. Shrill means loud sound of a tree. Which are the sounds the BFG can hear? The sound of the footsteps of a ladybird, whisperings of ants, and cry of a tree. He can hear these sounds because his ears are too sensitive. What happens when he catches the dreams? I asked. Danny asked, what happens when he catches the dreams? He imprisons them. He locks them in glass bottles locks them in glass bottles and screws the tops down tight and closes a lid by turning it round and screws the tops down tight. My father said he has thousands of these bottles in his cave. He has got thousands of such bottles. When he catches the dreams, he locks them in glass bottles and closes the lid by turning round and round. Does he catch bad dreams as well as good ones? Danny asked his father, does he catch bad dreams as well as good ones? Yes, my father said, he catches both, but he only uses the good one in his magic powders. He only uses the good dreams in his magic powders. What does he do with the bad ones? He explodes them. He bursts the bad dreams. It is impossible to tell you how much I loved my father when he was sitting close to me on my bunk. Bunk means the narrow bed that is fixed to a wall. I would reach out and slide my hand into his, and then he would fold his long fingers around my fist, holding it tight. When Danny's father sits with Danny slide his hand into his father's, then he would fold his long fingers around Danny's fist, holding it tightly. Danny loved his father too much. What does the BFG do with his powders after he has made them? I asked. In the dead of the night, my father said. Danny asked, what does BFG do with his powders? In the dead of the night. Dead of the night means the quietest part of the night. In the dead of the night, my father said, he goes prowling through the villages Crawling means moving quietly and carefully. He quietly goes through the villages searching for houses where children are asleep. Because of his great height, he can reach windows that are one and even two flights up. And when he finds a room with a sleeping child, he opens his suitcase. So, in the quietest part of the night, he goes quietly and carefully and searching the houses where children are asleep. When he can easily find out that because he is 3 times taller than an ordinary man. Because of his great height, he can reach windows that are 1 and even 2 flights up. And when he finds a room with a child, he opens his suitcase.